What the fuck?
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this
Oh, okay.
afternoon. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where portions of central and west central Florida, including the following counties in central Florida, Polk and Sumter. In west Florida, Hillsborough and Pasco.
Pasco's crazy.
Time. Impacts. Flooding of rivers.
Alright guys, I have to have the radio quiet. My dad's sleeping.
Locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 2:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lakeland, Plant City, Zephyr Hills South, Hillsborough River State Park, Kathleen, Gibsonia, Crystal Springs, Zephyr Hills Municipal Airport, Rockridge, Whistler, and Thousassa. https://weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
I thought they were like toning tropical stuff on KHB. But no! It was a flood warning for Hillsborough, Pasco, Polk, and Sumter.